Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be looking at the easiest way to file your taxes for free. So before I begin, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel, and let's get right into it. So the easiest way to file your taxes for free, depending on your income level, is on the IRS website directly. So if you go to the IRS website, um, on the free file section, you're gonna be seeing this. It's like a an agreement between IRS and other tax filing firms, where if your adjusted gross income is 79,000 or less, you can file for free. So what's adjusted gross income? Adjusted gross income is basically like the gross income. Gross is everything that you earn, like your wages and stocks, whatever you earned in that previous year. And then minus adjustments. The adjustments are gonna be like the student loans. If you had student loans and you paid like the interest or student loan interest, those adjustments you're gonna take out. If you had like some retirements, some specific retirements, and you pay for that, you're gonna deduct those from the gross, and then that's gonna give you your adjusted gross income. So if all that amount to less than 79,000, you can just come direct to the IRS website and use their free file feature. Now, when you go here, I'm already on the free file page for IRS. It gives you two options. You can browse all trusted partners. That's going to give you all the companies that are in agreement with IRS to do this. Or you can find your trusted partner if you're using a tool. So let's see, find your trusted partner. So in this case, it's gonna ask you to fill out some information, like how you're gonna file single, married, filing jointly, married, filing separate, head of household, things like that. So you're gonna have to give out some of your information, and then it's gonna give you like what really suits you in this case. Now, let me remind you, this is for federal tax return mostly. In some states, okay, let's go back here. In some states, they don't even have state income tax. Like I believe in Florida and some other states, they don't charge state tax, income tax. I'm gonna make a video on that, so you can look forward to it, or you can click on it. Maybe by now it's already gonna be out. So now I'm gonna look at this browse all trusted partners, because I don't want to fill out my personal information to show you in this case. So I'm just gonna do in this case, browse all trusted partners. And in this case, you're gonna see a lot of companies. Well, not a lot really. For free filing, then they show you like this AGI, adjusted gross income. If you earn 44,000 or less, you can use this, and it's gonna get free federal return on all states, and state return free in some states. If you click on that, it gives you the list of states. So that's TaxSlayer. And personally, if I was in this income bracket, I would have used this so that I could narrow down. You could just go like you look free tax USA, and the age. They also have age limits free in all states. Some allow you to also file free income, free taxes for the states, which are free in all states. Well, some, like in this case, this one 1040 now does not. You have to pay for your own state income tax filing, but it is free in some states also. and you have to have an AGI, adjusted gross income, of 68,000 or less. So you can just go looking and you filter by income, like you see tax act. If your AGI is 79,000 or less and you're between the ages of 20 and 58, you can use this service. And state return, you can file the state return free in some states again. So they filter by age, income. You can just review it to see clearly which one works best for you. If you are 64 years or under, you can use this, or you can use this one, in this case 1040.com, which have between 17 and 79,000. It's not, it's a good feature. If I would have known this many years ago, when the first time I started filing my taxes, I would have come direct to this IRS website and done the taxes myself. But I made the mistake, a very rookie mistake, of going to those chain tax filing agencies. By chain, I know many people in America know them. They always advertise them and like, come file your taxes, and it's just a group of accountants in a room. Like, they don't really care about your return. You might be getting, like, I don't know, for example, you're supposed to be getting like 2,000 tax return, and then they're gonna give you just 300 out of the 2,000. So let me just say, I got robbed a lot in the in the beginning. So I would have preferred to just come and do this through the IRS website, because my taxes were relatively simple at that time. If, of course, you are not certain, or your taxes are complicated, you don't want to owe IRS, you can just obviously go. I would recommend going to an accountant, just local accountants in your area. They do a better job more than this chain. I would never set foot again in these chain companies. They're like a branch, they're like McDonald's, but now for taxes. They're everywhere and they're always advertising. And so when I see that, I run the other way. I'm not going there. So real quick, after that rant, let me just click on one. So down here, you're gonna see like, visit the trusted partner. So let's say you've narrowed down and you decided you're gonna use Tax Act. Your income AGI is 79,000 or less, and you're between the ages of 20 and 58, free, and maybe your state tax return is also covered in a way. You're living in one of these states. You can just click on view this trusted partner. It's gonna take you to their website, where you're gonna start. You can start your free return. If you are over that, your AGI is over 79,000, it's obviously gonna give you an option to pay, because there is no free lunch. At the end of the day, you have to pay for something at the one way or another. That's what we say in economics. There's no free lunch. So that was just a way. You can, of course, look at the others. Let's say you chose you can just pick one. Let's say this one, based on it accepts all ages, 1040.com. You click on the view trusted partner. It's going to take you to a website, and you can start the process. It's very simple at the end of the day. So you just look at the program that fits you, and then you proceed from there. So that's the IRS feature of filing taxes for free. It's an agreement between IRS and all these other companies. You can choose whichever way you want to. If you want to plug in your information and then have have them, like recommend a trusted partner for you. Or if you want to go step by step looking at all the partners, remember you have to have a AGI of less than 79,000. That's gross income minus the adjusted uh, income of the previous year. So that's all for the free tax filing feature today. So, and please like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.